Welcome to the checkout guide. High value orders are great for Shopify store until your discount becomes too large. Imagine getting a big order and suddenly giving away hundred of dollars in discount without realizing it. So in this video, I'll show you how to stop huge discount losses on high value orders using the Next Discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the store so that view your store. So this is our store. Here, click on any product. Here, the amount is $1,000. So here in add to cart, I already entered. I entered 5 quantity, so the total amount will be $5,000. So suppose just I give 10 percentage as offer, so the customer will get $500 as the discount value. So it is a great amount that the store will lose. So to control this properly, we can use Next Discount app to add a maximum discount limit. So that go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here in app section, click on Next Discount. Then here click on Create New Discount. So here discount type as discount code. Here I enter save 10. Then discount value as percentage. I give 10%. Now this is the important part, that is capping amount. That means the capping amount limits the maximum discount customer can receive. So even if the percentage discount become very large, the discount stop at the value we given. Here I give $100. So the discount will stop at $100. So it is the important part. Now discount apply for all product. Discount message is for automatic discount. No minimum purchase requirement. Eligibility for all customer. Here maximum discount uses limit to 1 use per customer. Here we can set the date. The offer start from date and to the offer end date we have to set. Okay. Now this product discount can be combined with, here I choose all option. That's it. Now click on save. Yeah, it has been saved. Now we can go to the store. Here we can click on cart icon. Now let's apply the code here. And let's see how much it say. Yeah, here it is only saved $100. So now the discount is fully controlled. Even though 10% should give $500 off, actually the customer only receive maximum discount of $100 because we give the capping amount as 100. So it limit the discount amount. So that's it. So large orders should increase your profit but not create unexpected discount losses. That's why adding a discount cap is one of the smartest thing you can do before running Shopify sale. So that's how we can reduce our discount and increase the profit. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.